Welcome to today's video on assuming a Veterans Affairs VA loan for housing. In this 5-minute script, we will guide you through the steps involved in assuming a VA loan, helping you explore this housing option for veterans. So, let's get started. Segment 1. What is a VA loan? Before we delve into assuming a VA loan, let's understand what it is. A VA loan is a mortgage loan program specifically designed for veterans, active duty service members, reservists, and surviving spouses of military personnel. VA loans offer various benefits, such as low or no down payments, competitive interest rates, and no private mortgage insurance requirement. Segment 2. Why assume a VA loan? Assuming a VA loan can be a great option for those looking to buy a home with an existing VA mortgage. It allows the new homebuyer to take over the loan with the same terms and conditions, including the interest rate, remaining balance, and repayment duration. Assuming a VA loan can save you time and money compared to applying for a new loan. Segment 3. Eligibility and requirements. To assume a VA loan, certain eligibility criteria must be met. First, you need to be either a veteran or an active duty service member. Second, you should qualify for a VA loan based on creditworthiness, income, and other factors. Lastly, you must agree to assume all legal obligations and responsibilities associated with the loan. Segment 4. The process of assuming a VA loan. Assuming a VA loan involves several steps. Let's go through them now. Step 1. Contact the lender. The first step is to reach out to the current lender to initiate the assumption process. They will provide you with the necessary information and guide you further. Step 2. Gather required documents. You will need to provide documents such as identification, proof of income, credit history, and a certificate of eligibility, COE, to prove your eligibility for assuming the loan. Step 3. Complete the loan application. Fill out the loan assumption application provided by the lender. Ensure that all details are accurate and complete. Step 4. Credit and background checks. The lender will run credit and background checks to determine your financial stability and assess your ability to assume the loan. Step 5. Approval and closing. If the lender approves your loan assumption, you can proceed to the closing stage, where all necessary agreements will be signed and the ownership will be transferred. Segment 5. Benefits and considerations. Assuming a VA loan offers several benefits, such as avoiding the need for a down payment, competitive interest rates, and flexible loan terms. However, it's essential to consider some factors before assuming a VA loan. First, you should ensure that the property's value aligns with the remaining loan balance. Secondly, assess the current interest rate compared to the prevailing rates to ensure you are getting a favorable deal. Lastly, be aware of any potential risks associated with assuming a loan, such as assuming the previous borrower's credit history. That wraps up our video on assuming a VA loan for housing. Remember, assuming a VA loan can be a fantastic option for veterans, as it allows you to benefit from the existing terms and conditions of the loan. If you meet the eligibility requirements, gather the necessary documents, and navigate the process carefully, you'll be a step closer to securing your dream home. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your future housing